LSAT Reading Comprehension Tips: How to Read Paragraphs. To effectively tackle English reading comprehension paragraphs, you need a strategy that balances speed with deep understanding. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to read paragraphs, broken down into a pre-reading, reading, and post-reading strategy. The overall strategy: active reading. Don't just passively let your eyes move over the words. You must engage with the text actively. This means questioning, predicting, and summarizing as you go. Step 1. Pre-reading. Before you even start reading the paragraph in detail, take a quick survey. This primes your brain for what's coming. Read the first and last sentence. The first sentence is often the topic sentence, which states the main idea of the paragraph. The last sentence often provides a conclusion or a transition to the next paragraph. Scan for clues. 1. Names, dates, and numbers. These are easy to spot and often key to answering specific detail questions. 2. Key terms. Words that are repeated or obviously related to the topic. 3. Transition words. Words like however, therefore, furthermore, in contrast, as a result. These are signposts that show you the logical flow of the argument. Goal. To form a quick summary, for example, this paragraph is probably about the causes of the French Revolution with a focus on economic problems. Step 2. During reading. Now read the paragraph thoroughly, but with purpose. 1. Identify the main idea. Ask yourself, what is the most important point the author is making in this paragraph? The rest of the sentences should support this idea with details, examples, or explanations. 2. Chunk the information. Don't read word by word. Read phrase by phrase or clause by clause. Your eyes should move in small jumps, grouping words that form a single unit of meaning. Example: instead of reading the quick brown fox jumps, read the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. 3. Understand the structure. Pay attention to how the paragraph is built. 1. Is it a cause and effect paragraph? Look for as a result, consequently, led to. 2. Is it a compare and contrast paragraph? Look for similarly, on the other hand, unlike. 3. Is it a problem and solution paragraph? Look for. The challenge was, one answer is, to address this. 4. Deal with unknown vocabulary intelligently. First, try to guess the meaning from context. Look at the sentences before and after the unknown word. Does it give a synonym, an example, or a contrasting idea? B. Ask yourself, is this word critical to understanding the main idea? If it's a minor detail, skip it. Don't let one word stop your momentum. C. Only use a dictionary as a last resort for words that seem absolutely vital and cannot be guessed. Step 3. Post-reading. After you finish the paragraph, take 5 to 10 seconds to solidify your understanding before moving to the next one. 1. Summarize in your own words. In your head, create a one-sentence summary. Okay, so that paragraph was about how the poor harvests led to bread shortages, which in turn made the people angry. 2. Predict the next paragraph. Now that they've explained the economic causes, the next paragraph will probably talk about the political causes. This keeps you engaged and helps you follow the author's overall argument.